McQueen Solar Pumps was established in the year 2016 with the motto of serving Indian and international solar pump market. We have moved to new world-class manufacturing facility of 15,000 square feet in 2020. We are specialized in manufacturing of solar pumps and controllers for various applications. Our employees are trained and committed to deliver quality products and meet customer expectations. Every process has dedicated and highly competent team for producing surface monoblock pumps, submersible pumps and controllers.
With dream of serving Indian farmers, we started McQueen Solar Pumps research in the year 2016. Initially, we started our research in our car parking, and now we are in 15,000 square feet area with annual production capacity of 1,50,000 pumps and controllers. We also adapted lean manufacturing techniques to increase our productivity. As a woman entrepreneur, I strongly believe in women empowerment, so we have employed more than 50% women workforce in our plant.
We have in-house design team for new product development and dedicated research team to develop robust technologies for motor, pumps, controllers and IoT. Incoming materials are inspected for its quality requirements. The lean best practices are adopted in stores to follow FIFO with color codings. Dedicated and skilled separate winding team for submersible pumps and surface monoblock pumps. Winding sub-assemblies are tested to qualify its insulation and resistance, DCW high voltage test and continuity test. Winding assemblies undergoes vacuum impregnation process with standard temperature and time for better performance and reliability. Rare earth rotor magnets are assembled in clean and dust-free room. Submersible motor assemblies are carried out by skilled operators with precision pneumatic tools and having capacity of producing 300 pumps per day. High quality 0.35 mm thick stamping material and H-class insulated enameled copper wires are used to sustain higher temperature with lesser power loss. DCW high voltage test and continuity test. We have separate production line and team for surface monoblock pump with capacity of 200 pumps per day. All the parameters and serial numbers of the motor pump set are securely marked by using CNC engraving machine. Spray painting room for surface monoblock pumps has skilled operators with complete PPE kit. The controller assembly area has ESD protection and trained team to handle PCBA unit carefully. This unit is equipped with semi-automated conveyor line for controller assembly with capacity of 600 controllers per day. We have world-class test bench setup with different delivery pipe size for both performance and reliability test. Monoblock surface pump test bench has 7 meter suction as per standard testing requirements.
We are manufacturing solar AC and DC surface and submersible pumps and controllers as per MNRE specifications and as per international standards. We are manufacturing both surface and submersible pumps and controllers ranging from 1 HP to 10 HP. We are present in 25 states in India and we are also supplying to 15+ countries across the globe.